everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's just unbox new shoes for winter. So dahil winter na, magpapalit po tayo ng shoes at knit po yun. So kailangan po nating pumili ng bagong boots dahil sira na po ang ating boots at kailangan na po nating itapon. Ayan. Tadan! So this is our new boots. Ayan. Ayan po siya. So this is my choice because napakadali lang po niyang isuot at napaka-comfortable.